when the galvanometer is current need to be 0, so it means R1, R3. So both are series connection. Similarly, R2, R4 both are in series connection. So what we can write R1, R3. So in R3 in across I3. So R1 in across I1. So what we can write? So current will be no current flowing through the. What we can write? I1 equal to I3. So what is? We know that Ohm's law equation I equal to V by R. So same as it is I1, I3. So R1 or R3 is series connection. So I equal to V by R. Total voltage V divided by. So both are series connection R1, R3. So what we can write? R1 plus R3. So this is the equation. Okay. Next, as it is similarly same as it is. So R2, R4. So next I2 equal to I4. Same as it is V by total voltage V by R2 plus R4. And denoted by Rx also like that. Next again. Okay. So in this equation, substituting the equation, this equation 3, 2 and 3 in equation 1. So we know that equation 1, already you can write equation 1, I1 R1 equal to I2 R. So what is the I1 R1? So in place of I1 equation V by R1 plus R3 into R1 equal to say I2 is V by R2 plus R4 into R2. Okay. So V cancel. So what we can write? R1 by R1 plus R3 equal to R2 by R2 plus R4. Okay. These both are cross multiplication. Okay. We have calculated them. Both are cross multiplication. So what is the equation? R1 by R1 plus R3 equal to R2 by R2 plus R4. Okay. So this is both are cross multiplication. What we can write? R1 into R2 plus R4 equal to R3 into R1 plus R2. So here what we can write? R1 R2 plus R1 R4 equal to R2 R1 plus R2 R3. Okay. So R1 R3 is cancelled. What we can write? Finally. So finally in this Wheatstone bridge is what we are measuring the point unknown resistance Rx. We know the unknown resistance Rx or R4 denoted Rx. Okay. So what we can write? So R2 R3 by R1. Okay. So R4 equal to R1 R4 equal to R2 R3. So here, so what is the? We are our aim is unknown resistance R4. We are finding out the unknown resistance R4. Yes. So finally R4 are denoted Rx equal to R2 R3 divided by R1. So R2 R3 is adjustance resistance, R1 is opposite resistance. So unknown resistance produced by adjustance resistance divided by opposite resistance. Finally we got the unknown resistance R2 R3 by R1. So we are calculating the unknown resistance Rx by using Wheatstone bridge. Thank you so much.